Hi everyone, Sedan from Car Inspected here, and 3 quick tips to prevent car thieves from stealing your car if you're parking it in a driveway. Number 1, use a Faraday pouch or a Faraday cage. Basically put it in a metal box. Put your keys in a metal box where the signal is not transferred. Number 2, use a lock for the steering wheel where it locks it. Now, even if the thief cuts through the steering wheel, you'll be able to hear it, especially if the car is parked in your driveway or within proximity to you. And number 3, it is invasive, but is very effective, would be to install an immobilizer, an aftermarket immobilizer, where there is a certain sequence for the car to start, and without it, no one will be able to start it, so only you would know that. Well, I hope that this helps someone out there. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.